Heat is a universal language. It doesn't matter where you are. When the sun bites, we all seek the same refuge. Two worlds, two ties of ice, but one shared thirst. As ice become more accessible, tea adapted, served cold and refillable. Iced tea emerged as a favorite drink among Saigonese. A borrowed habit from across the Pacific as American ice machine arrived in 1960. At a restaurant in America, you don't ask for it. It appears automatically, the universal default. In Saigon, it's a heartbeat. An aluminum teapot and a glass of ice are the city's permanent residence on every table. No meal is truly complete without the cool sweat of the silver jar. One is the standard of service. The other is the soul of the table. Its color varies, sometimes deep, sometimes pale, but never compare it to the polished glass of a fine dining room. This isn't about perfection. This amber hue reflects the restless pulse, the constant motion of a city that never stands still. It is the color of the rush, the color of Saigon. A small bridge of kindness under the same sun. Kindness doesn't always need a name or a face. Sometimes it is just a cold vessel left on the sidewalk, or a silver stream at a park edge. A quiet promise that no one has to face the heat alone. Two liquids, one shared soul. Saigon remix, past, present, future.